Section 6, problem number 1. We're going to be working with solving equations dealing with logarithms. So the rules for logarithms are very important. You will have access to what is on this sheet right here. This is what you will have access to. So you can refer to it, and that will be your formulas for your test. All right, we start out, we've got a log on the left. This term with the 1 contains no log, and then you've got a log on the right. The first thing you want to do is you've got an equation, you're solving to find the value of x. And just like any time solving an equation, you try to get everything that has x on one side and everything that doesn't on the other for the most part. Well, that's the approach we're going to take here also. We are going to try to move this log, the x minus 6, the log of x minus 6 to the other side. Well, when we move it, the plus becomes a minus. Okay, now we are subtracting logarithms, and this is in reference to some of those rules, maybe a slight different version, but we would have the log of a minus b equals the log a divided by b. When you condense logarithms, you divide if you were subtracting. Remember, the rules are kind of the reverse from exponents. So we have one log now, 4x plus 7 over x minus 6. Then we will change it from logarithmic to exponential form using this, the BEN type of thing. The base is an understood 10. The n is this expression, the 4x plus 7 over the x minus 6, and the actual exponent is 1. So we'll set that up so that we can solve it easily. And it is simply just a proportion that we can cross multiply and divide. So we cross multiply, distribute the 10, move all the terms that contain the x to the left, all terms that don't have the x variable to the right. So the 10x moves over, becomes negative. The 7 moves and becomes a negative 7. We simply simplify. Negative 6x equals negative 67. Then we divide both sides by negative 6. Of course, a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and 67 over 6 is the answer for this particular problem. I hope this made this a little easier to understand.